Hey everybody, I am going to be making coconut chews tonight. I'm going to do two different batches, one with coconut and one without. So what you need is some chopped pecans, some flour, some powdered sugar, vanilla, salt, shortening, measuring cups, and brown sugar. And of course, coconut flakes.
Coconut.
You're going to mix 3/4 cup of shortening and 3/4 cup of sugar and mix it till it is kind of creamy. Once you have it looking kind of like it's like blending together, you're going to add in the flour, 1.5 cups. Once mixed well and looking kind of like this, you're going to flatten it out in the bottom of a glass pan. You want it to look like this. I did one in the small pan and one in the big pan, mainly because we like the just with the pecan more. So now you combine 2 eggs, a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and you'll mix all that while your crust is baking. Once you mix it, you add the coconut and the pecans, and you'll mix that. And I'll also be doing one with just pecans. You'll add in 1/2 cup of coconut, shredded coconut flakes. I got the sweetened, and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. If you don't want the coconut, just add a full cup of pecans. So once your crust is about halfway done, so bake about 12 to 15 minutes at 350. You want to kind of get a crust like this, and then put your filling in. Now you'll put them back in the oven and cook for another 15-20 minutes.